Leetcode medium problem 841 keys and rooms. So we start from room 1 and we want to enter all the other rooms. In this example, if we start from room 1, we can go into room 0, to room 1, then to room 2, then to room 3. And in this one, if we start from room 0, we're gonna go into 1 and 3. From room 1, we can go to room 3 and 0 and 1. In room 2, we can just go into this same room. In room number 3, we can go back to room 0. So you can see it's separated, which means if we start from this room number 1 and we try to traverse all the rooms, we're gonna find out there is one will not be visited. So this is a graph problem. We can just go with DFS to traverse all the rooms.